Well, your name Mr. Henry Asante Twum, Head of Communications, Director of Ghana Football Association, in charge of communications in the Egusu and Twum Komo, Kings TV, GH Sports. Director, when we saw Kurt's Okraku administration for 4-year term, overhaul, how will you rate Kurt?
Well, I think Zawa a very passionate man, very hard-working man. Me a chance and any year Juma Dreams FC. Before Ansana, you did Dreams every Division 2, you did bar Division 1, 2014, and 2015, you did bar Premier League, and because of Tema Youth in the Dreams FC case, you call back 2016, yes, I'm prepare and yes, I'm back 2017, and 2018, and as expose by in the middle of the season, and then 2019 COVID by. And that was when he had moved to the FA. It means him criminal nanti. I actually criminal nanti about 10 years of my life, and I have learned a lot of things from him. Sabi say a dom any son they are also takrache. And you told me nipa ya there one say a man say juma no yebeka wasem yebe kasa wonim ye do wonim be form nipa we be fix you have a family. But Media MGD is within the last 4 years, he has done a lot. The reason is that almost every phase of our football industry is working. National team, but national team is not Ghana football. Ghana football is juvenile football. Ghana football is women's football. Ghana football is Division 2. Ghana football is Division 1. Ghana football is futsal. Beach soccer. Aside you also need to work on infrastructure. A case in point, from the day of Adam Ebisinde, Upper East region, Bologatanga, there was no proper football pitch. And they see us stood there for now. How did we do that? Because Papa no ko share as a say, how can talent develop or come from this part of the country? Meanwhile, about 6 years ago, Boga All Stars qualify Obekaya.
Yeah.
No more Boga, every ball Premier League or Tamale, no more say Boga. Into all the 34 matches on board Premier League in away matches. Go for Boga be ball home match or Tamale no asanko. Away match
from home.
What I say? We are no sinchaya in the and my football aye crabeshe. I'm a Guinness Ghana Limited Tinchaya, or who say, me the Misika Kuremwa, and who be Bamfaso. Or the $3 million Ghana cedis Abeshim. We are not Tunchaya, and then Division 1. For the first time, here was sponsorship. If you know, say, or the Kutia officiating fee. In the past, time when Ora Kosindum Company be sponsor Division 1. Sika Odiba Enina, club will be in Yakapre. Yade nina ekotia referees fee. And then you catch them younger, but because of a nice exposure, you lose all our experienced players. We are putting the foundation down for a better tomorrow. And the juvenile football for about 6 years near Mokos League in Ghana, in almost all our regions. Today we have KGL, $1 million, $1 million. Yeah, juvenile football, district, regional, and then national. We are not in China, and now I can say, your Premier League. Yes, there are issues. I agree, but we went for so many years without sponsorship. Bet power or bow on board. 2018 Yanko World Cup, 2022 Yanko World Cup. Since at the day are you and then the month Yanko winning World Cup 2009 or Egypt, Ghana winning under 20. Wafu Continental, ni winning be 2010 you win here. It we are not and then again other interventions. You say club owners ebre. Yes, season before I ever shall say no. You free footballs to every Premier League club, every Division 1 league club, every women's league club, regional football associations. You invested $100,000. You took footballs. In the past, your coaches are no more coaching and Koran level. They were coaching out of passion, without certificate, without proper football education. Any we a coach or coachy or grassroots, ya license D amount B. If you are license C, B, A, not later, CAF A introduce pro license, then also we follow. We are not on China, yes, I am other interventions. You who say most of our clubs were not operating from secretariats. You be clubs now almost say they can't afford office setups. If you not to computers, a supply mark, all the 18 Premier League clubs, all the 20 women's Premier League clubs, all the 48 women, Division 1 clubs, all the 10 regional football associations. Obiye nyane de. Ya call round here who say one of our major problems during the dry season issue is go FIFA so. And I catch and say FIFA Forward 1.0 no. You can see a DB a drilling boreholes across the country. And I are drilling Makumako 68 in Ghana. I commission B. In the coming days, you have commission their account. Indeed, almost every sector a football sector running. Unlike before, a big cost run, maybe the attention cry anything in Niho. A big crowd a mokra. And then they produce Azake's ladies as Wafu champions or call Africa for the first time. Or to you know, last season, share Azake's ladies in and Pimrakwa. Her final I share. You understand? You introduce you Division 1 League Super Cup. You say Division 1 League clubs mo qualify na mo ba Premier na. Mo here competition ya dem be prepare dem ba Premier. Nti Division 1 clubs this year you bought third edition ewo abrankese 18th August to 1st September. Eho Nations Bebobi, Lions Bebobi, Bofako Bebobi. After 2 teams are a second from the other zones. Na 8 teams. E dey omo kobo Super Cup. You see a Manu League, you know. Now 8 clubs in the northern zone, 8 clubs in the southern zone. The whole season on 14 matches. And yeah, enough. How can you play 14 matches? Professional league. And you increasing number of clubs are able Premier League. And then you 20 clubs are able Premier League. We are. You say increasing FA Cup. A man there no. Almost 50 norm started free round of 32. And they almost started from prelims. And so now we round of 64, round of 32, round of 16, quarter final, semi-final, final. It will be more competitions. You see how your off-season competition amount. I have a women's Super Cup. And also off-season, you selected 2 teams from each zone. Now you do all but together. Now 8 teams. Now you bought all group A, group B. No more progress. Semi-final. Until by the time our season even starting, say Usika, o de koye pre-season. Sasika na anka o de koye pre-season. No, if you know the amount, say Kobo Super Cup. Once you belong to that 8 clubs are a qualifier. You understand? We are not on China. There are other many intervention policies are rolling out. I need clubs no enjoy. And man, they supply free footballs to all the 20 clubs. Decathlon, omo goalpost, shingers, training shoes, babes. Yes, our sponsorship with Betway as development partner. On my 800,000 every year. You the training mano, marketing, player management, football philosophy, branding. You the almost in a classroom. You're running free courses. You understand? We are any almost say because you say your sponsorship with Woodin, all the women's clubs benefited. You show Woodin Tare no more the bench, no more the year juma. For me, I think that people only judge the president based on national team results. Yeah. But Ken, even the national teams, U20 call World Cup, Black Stars call World Cup, Black Satellites J Africa, U20 World Cup, under the old administration, every time they are near, they qualify. Unfortunately, Black maidens and to me, Black Starlets so far haven't even qualified for any competition. But Black Satellites have been good. Africa, we are not on China. Black Stars 2018, young World Cup. But 2022, you call World Cup. Into one call World Cup 2018, now call World Cup 2022. One could be when Yashi. Uko, You were last in your group. That is how people judge us. When we are last in our group, it means that you are repertoire. But if you say 2018, you qualify. Yet Kumasi na Uganda near a board draw. You call Egypt Kolusuye. Oba had a board draw. Congo Yesheno and you call Hosanko Sheno. And that was our journey, which is why we couldn't qualify. So a lot has happened. A lot of things have happened. Unfortunately, people only look at national team results, forgetting, say, if you do not fix the foundation, you have no tomorrow.